Hi everyone, this is Joy Banerjee, and in this particular video you will see how to walk through with our site. Okay, and what's different, it's looked to be very simple, and yes, it is simple, and we have tried to make it simple, but we have just introduced a new section which says like LMS Pro. Okay, so it's a learning management system which is for pro users. Okay, so pro users means there are certain trainings which are free, there are certain trainings which are paid. Okay, how you need to really get into that section. So you need to select course. You need to select this particular uh, tab. You need to select course, and you will be landed to a page where it says like AIK support LMS Pro. Okay, so this is a site on which we are. It's a complete learning management system, and where you can purchase the training, where you can get the training. It doesn't matter the training is paid, or there can be a possibility the training is free as well. So you can go to the courses section. Okay, so either you can pick any of the courses. Okay, let me talk about the paid course first, then I will move into the demo how you can sign up. Okay, with a free course. So this is a Windows Server 2012 course, and which will help you to get a IT job. Okay, so in this section you will get a introduction. If you play this, it will be playing an introduction video. In this particular training, I've tried to cover most of the important things which we can cover, and which we do in a day-to-day basis. Okay, as a L1 or L2 system engineer. So in this particular video you will also see how to download the softwares which you need to set up your own lab, how to really set up your own lab to do the practice, and you need to follow step by step what I have done in this particular whole training. Okay, it also covers about Windows domain controller, along with the group policies, how to set up, how to implement to the client systems or to the users who are trying to log into the computer. Okay, working with a client machine also, I've just tried to focus, and you can also see interesting section which says like a PowerShell. I've tried to use the PowerShell in most of the cases, because the PowerShell is the future for Windows sysadmin, and I would really encourage you to learn about PowerShell. Okay, so that's why I have put a section which says like Hyper-V installation and management, and this particular Hyper-V is completely a core system Hyper-V. Okay, so this is a drill down version in which you need to run commands from the command line or from PowerShell, because you don't have the GUI shell to do the management. Okay, so that is very interesting. So let's say you want to go for this particular training, and you need to click it to add to cart. I've already done it. Okay, so you can, if you click this, you will see this item is already added in the cart. Okay, so at this moment it says like $45, so you can go and click checkout. So as you have given us some sort of time to me, okay, and to watch this particular walkthrough video of this particular website, so I'm going to give you a coupon code which will give you a discount to this particular training. But I just want to say that that particular coupon will going to be very limited time coupon which you can use. I'm not going to flash this coupon here. I I will share the coupon in the description below, so that you can grab that particular coupon and use it. And if the coupon is being expired, or the coupon is being washed out by the purchasers, okay, so you need to really contact me, and I will try to see that if I can really provide you the coupon code. Okay. So ultimately this particular training, after applying the coupon code, you will get this particular training in about $15, which is a good amount of discount, but they are really limited. Okay, so let's say you have put the coupon, you will click apply, you will put your first name, you will put your last name, you will try to give your number, your country, your password, and also try to accept the terms and condition. So we have set it up. The PayPal is going to give you a privilege to secure gateway payment, and they are hosting the whole transactions in their site. So we believe in PayPal, so that's why I'm just going with a PayPal, which is going to give you a worldwide option to do the payment of the product. Okay, so you can do it from the card, you can do it from internet banking, and there are so many other options as well. Okay, if you want to go through our terms and conditions, you can go from here as well, and you can click here as well. Okay, so let me give you a little bit of view how you can do a sign up. A new user, how they can sign up. Okay, so instead of going for this particular training, I will try to go for a free course which is being listed here, and I will share the coupon for the paid course as well. Okay, so I will add this particular to cart. Now you can see the card has a item, and I can view cart, so I can proceed to checkout. Let's say I need to fill my details. Okay, let me fill that. So I've given the username, I've given my first name, last name, users the email address. Okay, I need to give my number. Okay, I've given the country. Also provide my password, which I can remember. Also I need to accept the terms and conditions. Okay, I will place order. So you can see this says that order number this and this particular thing I have purchased. Okay, and I've also logged in. So from where I can see my course. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to select this particular icon and go to course and click journal. In the journal section you will see whatever the courses you have subscribed or purchased. Okay, so at this moment you can see this is our course, so I can select this and it will give you a course content, and as well as I can go through and start the training. So if I click here, this is the first introduction of this particular course. Okay, and once this training has been complete, you can put your query here and I will happy to answer that. And once you have done with this, you can click this like mark as complete. Okay, so when you go back here, so you can see these are the sections which you have completed, and these are the sections which are still pending. Okay, so how you can really log out. Okay, you need to select here and click log out, or you can use this particular button as well. Now if I want to log in, so I can click login here, or I can click here. Okay, so ultimately it will take me to the login page. If I click here and it is asking me to put the user ID, so you need to put your user ID and password here and click login. Okay, so you'll be logged in and you can go back to your courses and you can start your learning. So hope this particular video is informative, and I need your help to really move forward. So do share your views, and see you together inside to our web portal. Thank you very much.